I'm Ronald Aaron Velos, BS Crim 1G, reporting first pillar. Law enforcement. Law enforcement is the activity of some members of government to act in an organized manner to enforce by law, discovering, investigating, deterring, rehabilitating, or punishing the people who violate the rules and norms governing that society. Tao na nagpapatupad ng batas, kumbaga siya ang unang gumagalaw sa 5 pillars. Siya ang humuhuli sa mga taong lumalabag sa batas na tinatawag na iterator or frontline. PNP. PNP po ay isang under po siya ng DILG. Andito po si RA 6975 na binubuo ng Tribe Bureau, PNP, BJMP, BFP, RA 8551 Reform the Act the 6975 RA 6975 RA 9708 an act extending for 5 years. Nandito na rin po si National in Scope na kahit nasaan locating ng Pilipinas, natatawag na pa rin na police civilian. In character naman po ay hindi nakasuot na uniforming pang police o nasa office. There are police roles and the function in the society. Crime, police patrol is described of police department. Crime detection, discovery of the police, and the criminal apprehension. Legal term, arrest. Arrest is a defined caught in a hot pursuit and escape prisoner. Maybe may iba't ibang tawag sa arrest citizen o arrest. Pwedeng mag-arrest na ordinaryong tao alias warrant o second right of execution John Doe warrant. A person whose true name unknown says search and seizure refers the examination of an individual. Search, imbestigahan, seizure o kukumpisin ang search warrant kung ano lang ang nakalagay, kung yun lang ang kukunin. Criminal investigation, ito yung mga i-interview ng mga evidence, report, interview, and investigation. National Bureau of Investigation o NBI handle or the higher investigation. PCTC, PCG or Maritime of the Philippine Waters Bureau of Immigration. The Immigration Regulatory, the control body of Philippines, and the last Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA. Republic Act number 9165, also known the Comprehensive Dangerous Act of 2002. The law enforcement pillar is the branch of the criminal justice system that has a specific the law enforcement of the first pillar, considered to be the initiator or the prime mover of the pillar, comprehensive the law agency in the such as the Philippine National Police, the National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, the Bureau of Customs, and the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the Land Transportation Office, among many others. Relevant law on the organization of PNP. RA 6975, the Department of Interior and Local Government Act 1990, approved on December 13, 1990. RA 8551, the PNP Reform and Reorganization Act 1998, approved by February 25, 1998. RA 9708, an act extending for 5 years reglementary period complying the minimum education qualification for appointment on PNP adjusting promotion system. 3. Give the 5 years of comply the education qualification. Philippine National Police, a police agency. DILG Administrative Control Qualification Superlative of the National Police Commission. It is a organized national scope and civilization of approved by Section Article 16 of 1987, the Philippine Constitution of the Statute established and maintaining the police. Non-uniform personnel sa mga nasa admin o mga hindi nag-training. Uniform personnel. Police na naka-uniform person. National in scope. Example, police na sa Mindanao, police ka pa din sa Manila. Means the Philippines a nationwide government organization whose prosecution jurisdiction covers the and breed the Philippine archipelago. All uniform and uniform personnel of PNP national government employees. Civilian in character, hindi police yung pinapakita mo. Means the PNP is not a military thought or retain military attributes such as discipline. Powers and function of the PNP. 1. Enforce all law and ordinance related to protection of lives and properties. 2. Maintain the peace and the order, take all necessary steps to ensure public safety. 3. Investigate the prevent crimes, effect arrests of criminal offenders, bring offenders justice, and assist in their prosecution. 4. Exercise the general powers to make arrest, search, and seizure to according in the Constitution and pertinent laws. 5. Detain the arrest person in the period beyond prescribed the law, informing the person detained the right under Constitution. 6. Issue license for the possession firearms explosive in accordance with law. Supervise control. 7. Supervise the control, training, operation, security agency, issue license to operate security agency, security guard, private detectives for the purpose of their profession. Police roles and function in the society. Law enforcement. The Philippine National Police has the power to enforce the law ordinance relative to the protection of lives and property such as revised penal code and other penal code, the city and municipal ordinance. Ito ay specific person who enforce laws and protector of the property. Crime prevention, the elimination of opportunity to the commission of crime. Police patrol, motorcycle, mobile o sasakyan ng mga police. Patrol has been described as the backbone of the police department. Theoretically, patrol office a most valuable organization. Crime detection. Crime detection is the discovery of the police that crime has been committed. There is the traditional way of the crime is made known to the police. 1. When the victim personally reports crime to the police. When the witness personally reports crime to the police, and when the police catches the offender while the commission of crime. PNP can detect crimes. Criminal apprehension. The legal term of criminal apprehension is arrest. The person to the custody answer the question. Arrest. Arrest the taking the person into custody into the may be bound of the commission of an offense. Mode of arrest. Arrest by virtue. Warrant of arrest. An order writing the issued by number of people of Philippines signed the judge and directed the peace officer commanding him to take a person to custody. Order that may be bound to answer the commission of all offense shall return until the person to be arrested to be has surrendered. General use. Circumstances of warrant of arrest. Warrantless arrest. Tapos na yung kaso, patay na yung mga accused, nakulong na. Arrest without the warrant when lawful. A peace officer of a private person may be without a warrant arrest when in his presence the person to be arrested as committed is actually committing or attempting a commit offense. Nakita ng dalawang mata ang pag-commit ng crime. Nakita ng nanguhuli. When the offense has committed and the cause believed cause on personal knowledge of facts, circumstances the person of arrested committed it in, based on the person's knowledge and circumstances. Hindi nakita ng dalawang mata mo. When the person arrested is a person and escape from the penal established or the place where is the serving final judgment or the temporary confined while is the case pending or escape while being transferred on a confinement another. Tumakas sa bilangguan. Citizen arrest. A warrantless arrest can be affected a private individual citizen. Pwede mag-arrest ng citizen. Alias warrant. A second rate execution replacing the first one due expiration. Dalawang warrant of arrest na ang nakakaso sa kanya. John Doe warrant. Ang warrant na apprehension of person whose true name unknown, generally John Doe warrant is the avoid because violates a constitutional provision which requires the warrant arrest should be particularly describing the person to be arrested. It is considered valid of best description possible given of arrest. Arresting without alias ang pwedeng gawin sa John Doe warrant. Search and seizure. Daytime only unless magre-request sa judge na anytime the day. Search refers to examination of individual person, house papers, or effects of other buildings and premises, discovering contraband or the some evidence of guilt to be used prosecution of a criminal action. Search warrant. Allow to search a property on 10 days expiration. An order writing issued by the name people of the Philippines signed by the judge, direction of peace officer commanding him search for the property described therein and bring in before the court. Kung ano-ano yung mga nakalagay, yun lang ang kukunin. Has the validity of period of 10 days unless illegal, pwede. Can be served once with validity of period. Person, property, seized. Subject of the offense. Stolen embassies and other fruits of the offense. Bunga ng offense. Used indeed to be as the means of commission of the offense. Circumstances of warrantless search. A. Warrantless search incidental lawful arrest under Section 12, Rule 128, Rules of Court. Seizure of evidence in the plain view. Ano lang ang nakita. Search in the moving vehicle. Considering warrantless search. Custom search. Stop, freeze, search, and extinguish emergency circumstances. 3 types of criminal investigation: interrogation, interviewal, and interrogation instrumentation. Criminal investigation is an art which deals identify location of offender and provide evidence guilt criminal proceedings. Probable cause. Basehan na siya ang suspect. What is a law enforcement agency country than PNP, National Bureau of Investigation or NBI, Philippine Center or Transnational Crime PCIC, Philippine Coast Guard o PCG, Bureau of Immigration PDEA, National Bureau of Investigation NBI under Department of Justice, Division of Investigation is an agency of the Philippines government at the Department of Justice, responsible of handling the solving a high-profile case in the interest national, headed the director should be appointed. President of the Philippines undertakes efficient detection and investigation of crimes of the offense against the law. Upon request, investigation, detection of crimes and other offense, coordinate the other national and local police agency in the maintenance of the peace and order established, and it also acts national clearing house criminal of other information of the use all prosecuting law enforcement Philippines. Legal basis: Commonwealth Act No. 181, Republic Act No. 157, Executive Order No. 97, Executive Order 19292, Republic Act 10867, Philippine Center Transnational Crime PCTC. Bureau of Immigration is also between 1972 and 1980 the Bureau of Immigration at Deport. PDEA, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, is the lead anti-drug law enforcement agency responsible for preventing investigation and any dangerous act controlled by persecution essential chemical within in the Philippines. The Republic Act 9165, also known as Comprehensive Dangerous Drug Act of 2002. That's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.